I'm going to show you how you can get some Goodnotes templates for free from my website. I have hundreds of Goodnotes templates that you can download for free, but I'm going to go over this particular set right here. It's 42 free Goodnotes templates, and it comes with 7 different colors of these 6 templates. So I will just download one of them, show you how it works. I am using my Mac so that I can screen record, but I make them to fit your iPad too. The iPad is what I usually use with these, but it should work the same way. So I'm just going to go ahead and download this set, for example, and it's just as easy as clicking the button under each of the sets that you want. I'm going to go to my downloads and open it up. And in this particular set of Goodnotes templates, I include 3 different files. I include the Goodnotes file, and if you just double click on that on your iPad or your Mac, it should just open right up into the Goodnotes app. I have a PDF of the different pages too, so that if you want to use this in a digital planner app other than Goodnotes, it'll work there. And then I also provide the individual PNGs in case you want to use them like stickers. So I'm just going to drag and drop this PDF over. Now, if I were on my iPad, I would open the PDF and then I would hit share and share to Goodnotes. A lot of times I get questions when people try to add it from the Goodnotes app and import it in, because sometimes it'll just do the first page. I'm not sure why. So I recommend starting with the file, either the Goodnotes file or the PDF, and sharing it to Goodnotes. So now that I have this in Goodnotes, I can double click on this, and now it has the 6 templates here. And then you can write, type, add your stickers, and use it inside of a planner. You can use them individually. You can combine it with one of the Goodnotes covers. You can check out my covers on my website that are free. And if you were going to say let me download another color so that you can see what it looks like using the PNGs. In case you already have your own Goodnotes notebook or planner that you want to use, you can just use the PNGs this way by dragging and dropping the PNGs. Grab this one and bring it over, and then you can resize it, move it, use it as a sticky note or a mini calendar. You could use this PNG in your planner or notebook. And once you're done downloading these, then you can go up to my Goodnotes tab and you can go through all of my freebies. I have more Goodnotes templates here. These are my older ones from 2022, and then the more recent ones I have started adding monthly, so those are my monthly Goodnotes freebie section. But I have a ton here, and they all work the same way. You just click the button and download it and import them into your Goodnotes. I have calendars here and to-do list, and you can just go through all of those. And then you can also check out my Goodnotes notebooks. I have a ton of free Goodnotes notebooks. I have some $1 Goodnotes notebooks if you want to check those out. And let's see. So you can use my stickers, my templates, my notebooks. You can use them all together. So let me know if you have any questions about how to use any of these. And I also take requests for if you want something in the next update for freebies, or in my $1 notebooks for Goodnotes, I take requests for those. So leave a comment below on what you want to see next, what you want to learn next, what you want me to add, and have a great day. Thanks.